I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Good morning, this is a special request by the celebrant. Together with me and family, a pre-birthday celebration and birthday wish 2025. Ang paglubog ng
The dream
araw.
come true.
Here at Abra. Together with me and family. It's our Monday bonding after 4 months. We are together here once again in Alcana.
Ano ba, maglakad mo na?
Take a break. It's our Monday bonding after 4 months. Masama din kaming tatlo. It's once in a week we have family bonding after 4 months. Together with me, we're in Alcana with family. Me. Ito yung unang nakita namin ni Cutie along the bay. Jellyfish. Jellyfish floating in the water. Here only in Alcana, UAE. Look at the jellyfish. The white one. Bagong tricks.
Sikat na araw.
Palubog na kasi. Ang paglubog ng haring araw. Here at Abra. Together with me and family. It's our Monday bonding after 4 months. We are together here once again in Alcana.
Maglakad mo na?
Take a break. It's our Monday bonding after 4 months. Masama din kaming tatlo. It's once in a week we have family bonding after 4 months. Together with me, we're in Alcana with family. Me. ganda. Very nice. Wow, gandang hindi inaasahan. Abruptos. Mamaya.
Fine light in the beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the life inside you. Shine bright tonight. You and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
This is live, my friend.
Good night!
Against the light.
Sobrang against?
Mas maganda din sa side. It's here in Alcana. Mas maganda din.
This is live, my friend.
Good night!
Hindi yan, maganda. Ito pala yung panaginip kong bangka ng isang araw. ang hindi inaasang pagsakay sa Alcana. Alcana boat roaming from Traders Hotel from until here to Abracross. The Emirates flag. Ito pala. Hi bro. Assalamualaikum. Ito yung end ng Souk Al-Berry. Malapit pa lang dito, oh. Tapos nagbiyahe pa tayo ng pagkalayo-layo. Happy birthday to you. May the God bless you with good health. Para na siyang bahay, oh.
Old house.
Boat house. House talaga. Yan ang tinatawag na boat house. Parang yate niya, ilek, oh. This look like royal yachts. Kami galing. Hindi ko favorite siya. Yung mga orange na yan. Huwag mo ipakita ang leveling niya mas tagliran. Parang nasa ibang bansa ka. Babasa ko na. Para naliligaw ka ng lantas. Captain. Para kami nasa ibang bansa.
Captain.
Captain Robin is here. Para kami nasa ibang Al Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. Shukran Kathir. For the wonderful time, May, June 2025. Daong na. Shukran kasilan. Salamat Angelic for your time. Salamat. Dahil may buffet kami. Kaya, salamat at may buffet. Kaya nagka-deck off. At nagkasama-sama kami. It's only once in a blue moon. Shangri-La, Abu Dhabi. Together with me and family. June 4. 5. Ayan na po. Sabog-sabog na po. Matagal ko na mga wish na makasakay dito. Ngayon lang. After the 3 residency. Ngayon lang natupad. Thank you, Lord. Ito yung traders. Bunso. Yung may seafood pizza. OMG. Abot pala to. Parang ang lapit-lapit ulit. Na? Ang Shangri-La. Traders. Oh, dito tayo nag-ano. Lalakad-lakad. Ayun. Nakuha mo sa traders. Shangri-La at traders. Rooming. Pero hindi pala siya umiing. Hindi pala siya ano. Hindi pala siya ano. Together and me, family. On the way to traders. Then Shangri-La. This is traders. This way is Shangri-La. Souk Al-Berry, Abu Dhabi. Ang laki ng occupy niya. Pamula dito. Shangri-La, Souk Al-Berry, Abu Dhabi. Tapos papunta dito kami dating planong sumakay. Kaso hindi pala pwede dito kaya nag-start kami ng Alcana National Aquarium. Ano yun? Yun. Nakakota na daw ako, sabi ng anak ko. Nakadalawang cellphone na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh my God. Napakabilis. In the heights of summer 2025, May 20. This is our trip to, what do you call this, friend? Abra. And our driver for today is Sukran.
Ay, sakay-sakay na naman.
Happy birthday to you. Malapit na sa Domino's.
Yan, yung sabi mo Domino's.
Sayang. Ay, sayang. Ay. Sayang siya.
Nagtatrabaho ka.
Ang paglubog ng haring araw. At natupad din ang matagal ng plano in God's special day for us.
Ito ka, picture mo na.
Pwede?
Together and
I come before you today.
happy birthday.
There's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you.
Dilik, harap.
You, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name and thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Well, I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. For all you've done in my life, you took my darkness and gave me your light. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my sin and my shame, yes you did. You took my sickness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless mercy. Thank you for your love, for loving us when we were quite unlovable people. Thank you, Lord.
This is our
Oh,
trip
thank
to, what do you call this brand? Abra. And our driver for today is Sukran.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Ay, sakay sa akin na naman.
We thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Malapit na sa Domino's.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a grateful heart, with a song of praise.
Ay, sayang! Ay! Sayang siya! Ang pagtugon ng Mariana. At natupad din ang matagal na plan. And God's special way.
Ito ka, picture mo na.